What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to share a little trick. This is just an easy way to make your own wire looms for any kind of wire. These are spark plug wires. This is a 2004 runner, some wire management. So put one zip tie around all of them. But then before you cinch it down, take another one and put it in between and wrap it around the zip tie you just put on. And do that for every parallel wire. You'll create a nice space between them. So you can cinch those. You don't need them super tight, just enough. So one zip tie around and then two zip ties going in between the pairs of wires around the main zip tie. And just trim your ends. And there you have it. You can do that wherever you want or need to. You can slide them a little bit. And that'll help give you some management, keep your wires apart, keep them nice and parallel. Hope that helps. Quick tip, thanks for watching. Check out my channel. See you later, thanks.